Good morning, everyone. As we have started our poem No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup, in which poet gives us a message of universal brotherhood, he said that all the people on the earth are equal. Through his poem, he is trying to show the similarities between us and the people of the other countries. Today, let's learn something more about the poet's view on the universal brotherhood. Today, I am going to start my explanation from the stanza number 3. In this stanza, the poet asks the reader to remember something. He says that we should keep in mind that the people of other countries whom we think of our enemies have been created by God with similar appearance like us. As we are having eyes, they are also having eyes, nose, ears, everything is same. And God has given them eyes like ours, which open when awake and close when we are asleep. Similarly, He has given them strength, which we can win through love. Means by love we can win everything. Then he says that in every country, in every land, there is one common thing, that is life. Life means all the things that are living, and when we can recognize them and if we can understand their feelings and realize that they are like us, then there will be no fights or no wars between us. And overall, we can see that we all are same. There is no difference in the way we live. And summing up all these, the poet is right in saying that no men are strange and no country is foreign. Then, in the next stanza number 4, poet says that if we should remember that whenever someone tells us to hate a person from other country, to think him as our enemy, and whenever we think that someone to be our enemy, then we deprive ourselves, we cheat ourselves, we condemn ourselves. He says that there are some people among us who disapprove of it and who try to break the feeling of brotherhood by provoking us against the other and destroying the social as well as global harmony. And these few people excite us to take the arms against our brothers, to hate them and to kill them. But he says that, the poet says that we should stay away from such negativity and we should not get involved in this. We should not consider anyone to be our enemy, and during a war both the parties must bear the loss. If we are bearing the loss of the property, we are bearing the loss of the manpower, in the same way other country is also losing the same. And that is why the poet says that war is not in our favor. He says that whenever we pick any weapon against someone, we should remember one thing, that we are same. No man is strange and no country is foreign. He says that we should not commit any such wrong deeds and not to degrade our humanity. Then, in the stanza number 5, the poet further says that taking arms against our brothers, arms means weapons, not only pollutes our spirit, but it also pollutes the whole earth we live upon. We should keep in mind that whenever we pick weapons against any person, we make the earth dirty, because weapons kill people and their bodies which fall on the earth make it dirty. Whenever war happens, it leads to a lot of bloodshed and fire and death, and these dead bodies accumulate on the earth and make it impure. The hatred, jealousy inside our heart, it snatched the good qualities and the innocence of the people. And the smoke which comes out from the fire of war, the dust which fills the air, it is so dirty that pollutes and outrages the purity of the air. So, here, with all these things, the poet wants to give us a message that we should not indulge in war. And finally, he ends the poem by writing the first line in reverse and saying that, remember, no men are foreign and no countries are strange. So, dear students, in the third stanza, we read that the poet is telling us we are having the similar eyes, and everyone close his eyes when they sleep, and everyone open their eyes when they awake. Either they are the men of our country or they are the men of other countries. Then, in the fourth paragraph, the poet reminds us that whenever we hate someone, we cheat and hate ourselves, as we are thinking that the others are enemies of our. In the same way, they also think that we are the enemies of for them. As we hate them, they also hate us. And in the next paragraph, last paragraph, the poet is telling us when we pick up the weapons against someone, we pollute the earth and make it impure with the huge amounts of dead bodies.